Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we will see how to install, demo, import and edit menu of the Bridge WordPress theme. It's a creative Elementor and Woocommerce WordPress theme which supports WPBakery as well. You can see it's have more than 630 demos. So let's see how to install the theme. First go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance, then click Themes. In the Themes, click Add Theme, then click Upload Theme. Here choose File. Now go to the location where you have downloaded your Bridge theme. So this is the theme I have downloaded. If you downloaded a zip file, unzip it. When you unzip, the folder will contain following files. This is the Bridge main theme and this is the Bridge child. You can see main theme is around 34 MB size. So click that and click open. Click install now. As it is a 33 MB, it will take some time. So depend on the internet speed and the hosting speed. You have to wait a couple of minutes. Once installation is complete, you will get following message. The theme installed successfully. Now click activate. Okay, once you activate, it will show welcome to Bridge. The version is displayed here. On the right side, you can see it will ask for install required plugins. So click that one. So here you can see it will show the required plugin. This Bridge Core is important one. That's a basic plugin, so you have to install that. If you want to install the theme supporting Elementor, better to install this Elementor as well. So let's click this one and this one. If you need all the plugins, you can select all. Otherwise, only install the basic one. Once you install the demo, you can install the other required plugins. I have selected this Bridge Core and Elementor. So bulk action, click install and click apply. Now you can see both the plugins have installed. Click return to required plugin installer. Okay, again you have to activate this. So Bridge Core and the Elementor, you can activate with that. This Qode optimizer and resolution slider also installed, so better to activate other two as well. So click activate and apply. Okay, now we have installed the required plugins, mainly the Bridge Core and the Elementor. Let's see how to import the demo sites. So let's refresh this. So I'm refreshing the website here. Once you refresh, it will bring you to the Elementor setups. So for the menu, you can close this one. Okay, once you refresh, you will get following new menu items here. So once you go to the Bridge dashboard, you can see the Bridge dashboard is appearing here. You can see it have the import option. So click here and click import. Now here you can see all the demo sites are appearing here. The demo sites are categorized as follows: business, creative, portfolio, blog, shop. Like that, you have categorized. So let's import an e-commerce site. So click this shop. So here you can select any shop design you wanted. Here you can see the demo sites are showing with the build as well. Here as you can see, fashion shop is supporting WPBakery. Like that, the supportive plugin also displayed there. Some are supportive of WPBakery and Elementor. Okay, let's import a site supporting Elementor. One is consumer electronics store. So let's try to import this demo. So click import demo. Once you click, it will ask import type. Select. You have to select all or content or widget option. So if you are a beginner, better to click all. So it will import all the contents. So here you can see the Elementor we have already installed and activated, and other necessary plugins are displayed here. So here you have to click install and activate. So one by one you have to do here. Once it installed, click activate. The next one, contact form 7, activate. Slider revolution already activated. WooCommerce, click activate. Sell kit activate. So install and activate all the recommended plugins. Now you can see all the recommended plugins have been installed and activated, and the import type is all. So let's click import. Click OK. So import will take few minutes depending on the internet and the hosting speed. Okay, once the import is complete, you will get following message: import is completed and it is 100%. So you want to view the imported site, let's open the website in a new tab. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. You can see here it's nicely appearing. Once you click products, you can see the products here. Support, you can see the support details. The news here you can see here. The top menu item is here. The food items are here. So you can customize all the items with the Elementor very easily. So let's see how to rearrange this menu items. Again, go back to the WordPress dashboard. Close this one. Go to appearance and click menus. Go to appearance and click menus. In the menu, by default, the footer button is here. So you have to select which menu you want to edit. So we are going to edit the primary menu. So click this one. Here the main menu is marked as menu, top navigation or mobile navigation. Click this one. Click select. Now you can see all the menu items are appearing here. So if you want to change the location, you can change. For example, let's change this support to on the last one. And if you want to change the name, you can change it as contact us and save menu. So once you come back, Once you refresh, you can see the menu has changed and the contact us is appearing here. Likewise, you can edit other menus. If you want to edit the post, you can see the posts are here. That is news. You can see the first news is hello world and other news are appearing. You can edit that one here. Go to post, click all post. Here you can see this hello world is the default post, so you can delete this one. Now refresh and see. You can see that hello world is gone. Then you can edit this each post with your content. So you can click each post and edit, and you can edit the content using Elementor Builder. It's very easy. So you can follow my Elementor tutorial to edit each content differently. Similarly, if you want to edit the products, you can see the products here, the listed products. For that, you have to go to this products, click all products. Here you can see the imported sample products. You can edit them and replace them with your own one, and also product categories. You can see here, this is the categories. The categories are accessories, cameras, desktop, henceforth. So you can edit the categories depending on your need. You can add new categories, or else you can edit the already available categories. Once you go to the WooCommerce, you can give your payment details, shipping address, shipping cost, those kind of things. I have already given a tutorials on how to edit this WooCommerce contents. So you can follow the tutorials, or else subscribe my channel. I will upload full customization of Bridge theme soon. So please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.